Hello everyone, this is me Farid Fana, your friend, guide and instructor in this channel. Today we are going to take a look at another tool, which is symbol spray tool. How to create a symbol and how to use a symbol spray tool. So let's go to our computer screen. Okay, previously we covered blend tool and today we are going to look at our symbol spray tool. The shortcut is Shift+S. When you click on your symbol spray tool, if you click on your output, it doesn't work. It says please select a symbol from the symbol panel first. Before doing so, we need to open our symbol panel. It's right here. If you can't find it here, go to Window and here it is, Symbols. In Symbols, you can add symbols from your library, whichever symbol you are okay with. These are the symbols which are already existed in your Illustrator. If you want to create your own symbol, for example, I'm going to create another symbol for myself. Let's get rid of fail and take another copy. Okay, let's go to Shape Builder tool. Hold on, delete all the overlapping segments, and then let's merge all of them. Our symbol is ready now. In order to add it to your symbols, first let's decrease its size. I think this much is enough. Drag it to your symbol panel, give it a name, okay, and your symbol is ready. Now we don't need this shape, delete it because it's already did its part. Go to your symbol spray tool, click your or select your symbol, and now spray it. This is how your symbol spray tool works. If you double click on it, the window will appear. You can do some changes here. For example, let's do it 100 pixel, intensity to 3, symbol distance to 15, and okay. Changes we made is applied on our symbols. We don't just have symbol spray tool. If you click and hold on it, you can see other tools as well which are related to symbol spray tool. Click on your symbol shifter tool, and if you click on your closed bracket key of your keyboard, it will increase its size, or if you click on your open bracket on your keyboard, then it will decrease its size. Let's increase it first, and if I want to shift these shapes to whichever direction you like, you can just slide it to that direction. This is the second tool of your symbol spray tool. Click and hold. The next tool is symbol scruncher tool. From its icon, you guys can understand that it just gathers symbols to a single point, or how can we say, gather them to one point. The next one is we have size, symbol sizer tool. By just clicking on them, you can increase its size. If you want to increase them more, just click and hold. And yeah, you can increase as much as your design demands. So after increasing, we have another tool here. Click and hold. You have spinner tool. If I want to spin it. One thing more. If you want to decrease the size, just hold your Alt key of your keyboard and click on it. Then it will decrease its size. The sizes which are inside the circle or inside this area you have, set for them. Click on open bracket to decrease the size, hold it. So yeah, now we can decrease their sizes as well. Click and hold, we have spinner tool, symbol spinner tool. Click on them to whichever direction you want to spin them. Yeah, just click and drag to the direction you want to spin them, or you want to spin your symbols in your designer output. This is the symbol spinner tool. We have stainer tool. What the stainer tool does, it applies a single color or another color to your symbols but blend them. For example, this one you can see it's not exact yellow. Here you can see it just changed them to orange, like between red and yellow. You can click on green from your swatches, click on it and it will change into green. If you wanna put orange, click on orange, then you can add orange colors. This is the stainer tools function. After stainer tool, we have symbol screener tool. If you want to fade out some symbols which you have sprayed on your artboard, you can just fade them out by your screener tool with the help of your screener tool. The more you click them, the more it fades out your symbols. And the last one is symbol style tool. To apply symbol style tool, it doesn't work like this. You need to do what? Please select a style from the graph styles panel. First, we need to go to window and click on our graph styles. Where it is? Here it is. Graph style, click on it. When your graph style appeared, click on one of the styles or select one of the styles. Just come and click on your arts or symbols. You can see it applies kind of texture to your symbols. I think you guys can see the changes. So this is how the symbol style tool works and your symbol spray tool. I hope you guys understood how the symbol spray tool works. There are a few more tools left like graph tool, artboard tool, slice tool. Then we're gonna cover the advanced level of our Illustrator software. So keep following the lessons, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.